All right, guys, a lot is going on in the market, and a lot is going in QuantWheel. So this week we've made a lot of changes, or even has done something pretty cool, which he will show you now. And this is on the way to become our vision of QuantWheel. We hope you like it. We won't be long. I'll leave it to Ivan to show you what he's got. This is not the final version, but we're getting there.
Yeah, very exciting news and updates. We've been working on this for quite some time, as you probably saw in the previous updates and in the Discord. I'll just jump straight into it. And as you can see, we simplified the nav bar and the first screen in the wheel. This was based on the feedback we got from all of you, and you can see here clearly your active wheels with whatever you're most interested about. It's basically just your cost basis and your premiums collected. So let's say I click into gold miners. I can see on the right side my cost base is going down. That's all we care about as wheel traders, and you can clearly see what's the next cost basis you can sell your covered call on. If you want more details, obviously you have the transactions here at the bottom, and you can also see the new navigation system that's a lot cleaner and more natural, so you don't lose overview of everything. Additionally, you can see also the next steps. So in one view, you see your wheels and the next steps, and that's it. You can just come here, take care of your session, and collect premiums. If you go to your favorite find deals section, this also has some new updates. Okay, this is an interesting deal right now on NVTX. Similar thing here, a lot cleaner view of the option that you can sell. And we are trying to bring QuantWheel Intelligence into the whole system more natively, so that you can ask our AI anything you want about these particular options. I can also ask it about Gex, Vanna, and Charm. And it's right here. You can see all these details in one screen, and it's super convenient. Also, we've improved the design a little bit. We're working on it a lot more, so it's gonna look a lot better as we go on. And yeah, this quick thing for your trading day, you can just never leave the screen if you don't want to. This is gonna be applied also to other screens soon, and you will be able to create jobs for this kind of analysis. So you don't have to every time type stuff, but basically create your own templates, schedule them to run on daily or hourly basis, and get notified about that. So yeah, we're getting very close about the final vision of QuantWheel, and it's super exciting. Luca, what do you think?
I think we're getting there, and there are a couple of things. Of course, this will evolve. A couple of things that we need to still update, and the main key here is for you guys when you log in to immediately see how you can earn more money, and that's the whole goal. Every step and every update we make is for you to spend less time looking at the screen, more time spending doing whatever you want, and having your additional income from premiums taken care of. So let us know what you think. Of course, on the left sidebar, you're going to see a lot of updates, and you see it should be a lot cleaner for all of you. For us, we've been working on this for a while now, and this seems like the right move forward.
Yeah, also I think, Luca, one interesting thing is just the new results screen, where you have your calendar, your leaders by premium, by P&L. So in one screen also you can see how are you doing, and get the necessary details. It's still loading for me, but it should get the details very, very quickly. This is also very shareable, so if you want to brag on Reddit, you can just take a screenshot of this, and it's a very nice thing to show, like, what are you working on, what are you trading.
Is this SanDisk you shorted?
Yes, exactly. You can see the bull call spreads. It's my favorite play of the week. I'm thinking to do more of them right now.
This is sick. Well done. That was a good, nice profit.
Yeah, that
Uh,
that's probably making my the best week so far I had just trading because of SanDisk.
nice. You gotta thank them for having that kind of a pump.
Yeah, I also have to thank the the QuantWheel Intelligence for just suggesting the plays. Yeah,
You found it on QuantWheel.
yeah. I asked it like to analyze Gex, Vanna, Charm, and tell me what's the best play, and just found
Whoa,
it for
that's
me.
crazy.
Yeah,
I wish you recorded that whole thing, the train of thought and the trade, making the trade and everything. But see, that's the thing. It's so quick once you see it, and just it would be such a short video. You'd probably see like, okay, this is it. I'm taking the trade. Maybe just an Instagram story or something would be enough. But we gotta figure that out. I had a couple of those as well.
yeah. It's it's always like you're never sure if it's actually gonna be that good or not. So like this one I was quite confident about, and then like if we have this kind of confidence level, we should probably film it.
But just looking at previous trades and what we spoke about, even the Virgin Galactic trade, anything we speak about, you and I in public, like it became true.
Exactly.
There were no mistakes so far.
So far, yes.
Nice. So this week was a record week. These trades that you made, right?
If yeah, I still have 3 more spreads open. I'm trying to
Mhm.
close them. If not, I'll probably roll them out, and yeah, it should be the record week. Just like trading options, not collecting premium.
Okay. Nice. I had last month and this month together should be around between $20,000 and $30,000.
Wow,
It was also pretty good 2 months.
that's amazing.
Yeah, and the next month will be great as well. But this is all AI income. Yeah, but we'll see. Once I sell CoreWave and once I sell Iron, I think then I will have like 50 to 100K in profit. We'll see. It all depends on the bubble.
What's stopping you from selling now?
I don't want to. I think if you look at yourself in 10 years and all AI is just normal, and you look back at today, you'll say, fuck, I was trading all of these stocks. That's what I'm thinking. And I already see CoreWave, I was trading it when he was at probably 40. Iron when he was 12 or 13 also. So should have kept them. Probably will buy more and keep more. But that's how I'm thinking.
Same. Yeah, last year we were selling cash secret puts on SoFi. We thought we are
It was
geniuses.
$6.
Yeah, and
So
then we should just bought leaps as well. But yeah,
yeah.
it's
Heems was 8, I think, or something. I don't know. I don't remember exactly, but they were all so cheap.
yes. What are you looking at for today? Today, I think this is the last trading day. If you want, we can also go through the FOMC meeting updates.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's do that. Yeah, a couple of updates. Just I don't have many. I'm looking at Constellation still. I didn't buy it. I'm waiting for some kind of technical support. Also, was looking at lots of dividend stocks. If you want to look at dividend stock that I think is great, is Comcast. It's pretty stable, dropped significantly, still doesn't have any technical support either, but a great stock to buy, I think, if you want to hold something that has dividends.
Interesting. Yeah, I'll take a look. Comcast. Let's take a look right now. Wow, is this the first sticker with 5 letters that I've seen?
In the US, yeah, probably.
Interesting. Okay, wow, it's still just going down.
I was looking at why, and basically, I think they lost the rights to some sport event, but their revenue is still growing very well. So
5% dividends, huh? That's impressive. 20 billion in revenue last year. Wow. Okay,
PE
this is
4.
very interesting, Luca. Nice find.
Thanks. PE is I think 4, by the way.
4.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but check now. If I think it's 4 if I remember, because I was checking so many stocks. I think it's one of the best buys currently. It's rare for Comcast. Comcast is OG stock, I think. When was that?
Yeah, this is a very interesting structure. Obviously, like it doesn't like it looks kind of bearish and going down. Didn't like got a bounce from 200-day moving average. Some kind of head and shoulders. But yeah, I think fundamentals should be taken into consideration here, and see like if this kind of if this is gonna turn out to be a good support.
I mean,
very,
I
very
don't even care about the support. If I just buy it, it will, even if it's, I don't know how low it can get. It's 4 to 6 PE. Forward PE is about 6. Right now, PE is 4. Like, how low can it get? Maybe 8 to 12 PE is very, let's say, defensive. Even then, the stock would double, or the revenue or the profits have to fall down a lot.
Okay, this is also like a fib level. Very, very interesting. I think this might be a good CSP zone. This is a great find, Luca.
Thanks.
I know we also like you say you're going into the dividend stocks. I know I'm back with like Chinese stocks. This KWEB is China Internet ETF. Basically has, I don't know, Alibaba, Baidu, all the stuff we talked about. But it also has 8% yield for dividends. Wow. And it's been like down near like historical lows. Also RSI in the 20s might be interesting for you as well to kind of
That's
diversify.
crazy.
Yeah.
What do they do?
It's an ETF of like Chinese internet stocks like Alibaba, Baidu, JD.
That's crazy. 8% dividend. That's nice.
Yeah, that's awesome. Like I don't think these companies on their own provide this kind of dividend. So
okay.
I'll probably be getting into this more just for the dividend play. But yeah, I think it's a yearly dividend, so you still have time. Okay, we can take a look at flows on SPY a little bit. Right now we saw a whale coming in with puts a few minutes ago, buying almost $1 million worth of puts. And if you take a look at this chart, also kind of shaping up to be some kind of a bear flag. So I would right now probably buy some puts on SPY, short-term play, if someone is interested in doing 0 DTE. It's a very clear structure, and you can put a very, very tight stop loss. I wouldn't go all in on that just because like the flows are not showing any kind of discrepancy. We just saw a whale, but it doesn't necessarily mean anything unless there is like a discrepancy and I don't know, price going up and flows going down. That would be a clear signal for me to kind of size up.
I have a couple of questions for you. Can you check Comcast Gamma? That would be interesting. And options flow.
Let's do it. Yeah.
I'll have a couple of more if you want. I can tell you, and you'll see if they're interesting.
Let's do this. Oh yeah, yesterday I think yesterday I was looking to kind of short with call credit spreads ARM. It looked a bit overextended to me, but QuantWheel Intelligence told me don't do it, and yeah, it turned out to be right again. So saving me money. So Comcast, what was the ticker?
CMCST, sorry.
CMCST. Let's take a look. Oh, does this even have options? Wait, is this?
It has, but very rare options. So probably in the next 31 days, there's nothing. Maybe today and in 30 days. Every 30 days, I think there's an option.
CMCA. Okay.
CMCSA. Sorry.
All right. Let's take a look.
While you're checking it out, I just sent you a report I created with a couple of more dividend stocks. You might like it. Maybe you'll get some ideas. We can go through a couple here.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you see?
All right. So best option play recommendations. Short put at 23 strike, ADTE is the optimal play. So put wall, call walls converge, balanced gamma. So theta decay will accelerate. Awesome.
So that's short put on 26th of June. Okay.
Okay, if you think there's going to be a bounce, you can also buy a bull call spread. Okay, I like this play as well.
I would just buy, because I think, what's the downside? The downside is it drops more, but it's a profitable company, still growing, and the projections are that it will continue to grow. And if I just buy, and will it grow from 25 to 30 in the next 2 years? I think yes, easily. So
It says I would not recommend buying it for long term. Interesting. So it wants to see some profitability, stabilized losses, meaningful dividend cut. Interesting. Yeah, I think I can send you this, and we should do some research. But
wait, year-over-year revenue is flat year-over-year. Span of Versant Media cable network business. Okay, now this is changing my mind a little bit, because it might be right. It's in the TV business. Nobody cares about TV anymore. I don't know. Probably I won't buy it. What do you think about the other one? Ask QW about VICI. It's called VICI.
VICI. Okay.
Yeah, it's a REIT that owns biggest casino in Las Vegas and a couple of more.
VICI.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, VICI. Okay.
Yes.
Technical. What was the word? Technical data for long-term investing. Okay. Let's see, what does it say? This is honestly so useful. Like, it would take me hours to do this kind of research
Yes.
on my own, right? All right. Massive positive gamma zone in the $30 call strike. All right. So let's see the best options play. So sell $25 puts if you want to own it at a discount. I think that's your favorite strategy, right?
Yeah.
All right. Then even July expiration. Covered calls. Interesting. Okay, so it's suggesting the bull put credit spread. So this is like a 1% weekly with a defined risk. Very, very interesting. Okay, I like this play.
Man, this is crazy.
This is I mean, can you imagine going through the options chain and figuring this out? Like,
Oh
it
my
takes
God,
like
I
a
would.
PhD level to do this,
Like even just calculating yield would be
right? Just
annoying.
exactly. And here you have it. It's so clear.
You know
Like,
what else? Like it's so annoying to look at the charts, the premium charts, and just calculating. Okay, how much you're gonna earn, and understanding that this gives you everything you need to know. Basically, if you were doing this on your own and you take 2 hours, you probably wouldn't. You still wouldn't know better than this.
all right, it also gives you like I like how it always gives you a bottom line, right? Like here, you can just scroll to boom, best options plays. Like no circling around. You can just go straight to the bottom line always. And it says, yeah, it's a buy for the 3 to 5 year horizon and accumulate dips below 25. Dividend 6% yield, dividend growth, capital
Yeah,
appreciation.
this is nice. I'm gonna buy each.
So it seems like, yeah, we can just sell 25 puts and then start accumulating. Okay, cool.
Okay. And you checked KWEB already?
I did not. Let's do this for KWEB as well.
Let's do KWEB, and then I will have two more if you're okay with that.
Of course. Yeah, this is so fun. I think we also need to kind of make it predefined prompts for QuantWheel Intelligence. Like,
Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you the same thing. I wanted to tell you the same thing. Like the agent that knows exactly how to check fundamentals, technicals, industry average, everything.
Yep.
Nice.
So I think we should leverage this more, maybe even on the website, like on the landing page. All right. Short-term option play. Again, cash secure puts, same $25 strike. You can even get more premiums with 25.5 put. So basically, same. Okay, cool. This is awesome. Like, it's telling you why 25 or 25.5, but why not $26 put? Right? Like,
Crazy.
this is so good. And then fundamentals, the verdict: accumulate on weakness, not a core holding. So this is good fundamentals. Current level is attractive, but volatility is persisting. So
All right, I got another one. No, I wanted to check charts of JPMorgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America.
JPM.
JPM, yeah.
All right.
Last 5 years.
Last 5 years.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Look at this. Since COVID. What the hell? And their dividend is crazy. So if you just bought 3, 4, 5 years ago and you held, you would be the dividend plus appreciation, you would be good. Same thing with Bank of America, not as good, but they're all the banks are killing it. So I have a bank opportunity. I'm not sure if they're good or not. They're in the UK, so I want you to check that one. It's
Let's
called.
take a look. It's just this. This is a very interesting. Like it's a log chart, JPM parallel channel. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very, very interesting. Wow, you're right. This is since 2011 holding this channel. Wow. What's the ticker?
NWG.
NatWest Group.
Yeah, so it's a UK bank, and it's apparently a very stable bank. I don't know what's going on there. I don't trust really the analysis that I got, but the dividend is good, and it's apparently doing very well. I want to see what our AI says about them.
NWG. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, it's loading the options chain. And we should soon have some results. And also, if you're watching this video, let us know if this would be useful to you as an API. So basically, you can use the QuantWheel Intelligence any way you want, or orchestrate the agents to do even more complex work for you. All right, so this is it's too long. Start a new chat.
By the way, while you're doing this, I was checking which stocks have high dividend, are big, like more than 10 billion in valuation, public in European Union, America, Brazil, Argentina, and I was looking at which ones would be interesting for the future. So in the best case scenario, AI resistant. So I have a couple of them are pretty interesting. Like you have tobacco companies like MO, Ultra Group, and British Tobacco, which are pretty interesting and huge dividend. Then you have fintech companies that are pretty good, like the bank NWG and FIS. But then also you have some Brazilian companies. I think it's, or no, which one's ARCC? One second. Ars Capital, and Ars Capital has 11% dividend.
Wow.
So it's American company, and yeah, I think it's a risky one, but it's not.
Yeah, the payout ratio is a bit high, but very interesting. The revenue is growing. 3 billion in revenue.
You know, Amcor.
Yes.
Amcor is a good buy, maybe. So now, if you believe in the company.
AMCR, okay. This is
The
interesting.
cluster. AMCR.
All right, that's 6% yield. Okay, big payout ratio. Revenue stable. Wow. Okay, yeah, this has just been going around. Okay, I have a chart adjusted for dividends just in case like you're watching and you can't get the same chart. This is what it looks like. Pure on the just price action, but this adjusted for dividends.
Okay. What does
So
that mean? How does that work?
so basically every time, let's say, go into the daily chart, every time there's a dividend payout, the chart goes down, right?
Okay, got
Regular
it.
chart, but this takes it away. This kind of smooths it out, so you can see the pure like technical moves without these dividend price drops.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this looks very interesting. Nice find.
And two more, if you're interested in energy. Well, I won't go into oil, but ET is a company I earned some money on a long time ago. I wish I held it. I sold it at around 13, 12, 13, but it kept going up. So I think that's a pretty good one.
Very interesting. Yeah, I like the way you're going and the direction. Basically, just gonna sell cash secure puts on this, get assigned on purpose, and collect the dividends, sell covered calls. Yeah, that's the like the most powerful version of the wheel, right?
Yep.
Awesome. All right. It's been a good session.
Cool. Nice. Guys, if you have any questions, hope you will like our new dashboard. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment or let us know in the Discord. And see you in the next one.